Subscribe if you are also crazy about motorcycles like me. Hi, welcome to my motorcycle experience video series. I hope you all are doing amazing. Please find the biker attached to the road. Today's journey is all about reaching Kalpa and the beautiful scenes we'll find on the way. I'm covering about 230 kilometers of curvy mountain roads to reach a destination that's above 9,700 feet from sea level. Essence of the place. Kalpa is a small village in Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh. You'll find a lot of apple orchards in and around Kinnaur. One cool fact about Kalpa is that the literacy rate here is above 83%. Another one, Mr. Shyam Saran Negi, the first ever voter of the independent India, is, yes, from Kalpa. Stay options. Due to great tourist attractions within Kinnaur like the Kinnar Kailash range, beautiful hilltop views and great Buddhist heritage around, one can find all types of stay options whether mainstream or offbeat. Perfect for a beautiful staycation with views that you'll see at the end of this video. How's the road? You'll find a good 2-lane highway with occasional spots of ongoing construction. Please keep in mind that patches of this highway sees a fair bit of landslides every year in the months of monsoon. At these crucial times, it is best to carry your own water bottle, a few options of quick snacks like a pack of chips, a protein bar, etc. There will be times when you might not be able to find a restaurant or an eatery open due to COVID-related restrictions. After staying here for a couple of days, we are going to move towards Gaza. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you do not want to miss another update from my channel, please hit the bell icon along with the subscribe button. See you in the next one.